Hi, this is my water-cooled Peltier fridge. This fridge uses a water cooling method to cool down the insides of this ice chest. Here are the two heat sinks I use to cool down the Peltiers. The Peltiers are inside of these two heat sinks. The Peltiers are 12706 Peltier modules, which are 6 amp modules. In the middle of those modules is one water cooling block. The power supply I have here is a 12 volt, 20.8 amp power supply. The power runs through these wires and directly connects to the Peltier modules. Another connection goes to this buck converter, which lowers the voltage for the pump and the fans, so that the noise levels won't be so high. Let's check the insides. But first, let's take a temperature of our test subject. So here you can see 0 degrees Celsius. Let's check it another time. So 1 degree Celsius. Here you can see in the inside is a water container, a radiator, and water pump. The liquid I use here is a mixture of ethylene glycol and water. The ethylene glycol stops the water from freezing up. The pump here is directly connected to the container of water. The water is pumped through the pump into the water cooling block. The water is cooled down in the water cooling block and then sends out to this pipe and into this radiator. The air is cooled through this radiator. There's a fan behind this. The air goes through here and cools whatever is in here, goes back and into this hole, which is further circulated and cooled down more. The coolest I have with this was negative 11 degrees Celsius, which I left for 3 hours at the night. That's my fridge. Thank you.